Well, for tonight, we are gonna do a simple unboxing. This one is from Toys R Us Philippines. And I think some of you guys know that, like, 2 years ago, I uploaded a video about the bootleg, copy, fake, replica Roblox. So, here we go without any further ado. Shashink! I think this is the all legit, all authentic, all original Roblox. And this model or this specific toy or cool thingy is called the Tower Heroes Demolitionist. It's kind of hard to pronounce. Yeah. Series 3. And I don't really like collecting this kind of toy, but this is for my kid. And I promise him that every time we go visit the mall and there's like Toys for Us or Toy Kingdom, we're gonna go try and buy him one Roblox each time we go out and visit the Toys R Us or Toy Kingdom or any toy shop here in PH. So how much does it cost here in Philippines? It's $548. So I don't know how much the exchange rate right now. I think it's 60 or maybe 55. So we're looking at $11 to $12. Anyway, let's try to open this up real quick. It's like 2 a.m. now, Manila. Yeah. And also, I'm planning to buy a bootleg copy, same as this model, the mushroom looking guy. Maybe do a compare them side by side. And obviously, the authentic one is much better than the bootleg. How do we open this? There we go. Okay. So there should be a code here according to the sales rep. There we go. There's a code included. So what else we have inside the box? Ooh. Here's the code. No, just a card. Tips and tricks, blah blah blah. It's not even a sticker. What else? Nothing. This one is made in China. I don't know. I'm not sure whether this one is made in China or... Is this for real? It says manufactured and distributed by Jazzwares, and it's in UK, Florida, Crane Group, USA, blah blah blah. Doesn't say made in China, but it feels like it is made in China. What? Well, anyway, let's go open this up. Let's start with the white thingy package. What we have here? How do we open this? There we go. Is this like the arm one? What's this? A bag? A donut? I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a weapon, some sort. Let's put it over here. And then what else we have here? Oh, there's another. Yeah. What else we have here? Okay, this looks like a gun. Oh no, it's not. It's a leg. Cookie. Okay, and obviously there should be another one. Holy schmuck! There's only one leg. And this is like a soda. Next item is like, I don't know, beer mug. It says out. What else? So that's two bags and whoa, 3, 4. Yeah, like 4 white bags, white small bag. But where's the code? Good crap. Okay, another one. What's this? This looks like a dynamite. Oh, this is indeed a dynamite. But it looks like a mug. A candle. Last bag. Oh, okay. I think this is the code. Let's see. Oop. Okay, this is the code. Scratch off here, but I don't want to scratch this. This is for my kid. So we're planning to collect all 12, but it's kind of expensive. That'll be like 6,000, 7,000 pesos. And what else? This is the like manual catalog. Oh, nice. So I think this one is indeed legit, all original. And I mentioned on the previous video, that was like 2 years ago, we're gonna look for Roblox, the authentic ones. And I think COVID-19 is quite dead, but we still wear masks here in Philippines. So, okay. And that's the reason why we're able to buy Roblox, because we can now go out, go to mall, do shopping. How do we open this? How do we get this thing out? Holy schmuck. It's kind of hard to remove this. Okay, boy. It's not moving. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I might broke the arm. Oh no. Okay. Sorry guys, I don't know how to unbox toys like this. Okay. So here's the Demolitionist. Demolitions expert. But I think that's why it only has one leg. Maybe it's because of the bomb. I think we can remove this. Oh, nice. He's bald just like me. Then maybe we can put this over here. No, I don't know guys how to use this. Sorry. What else? You can move the arm, but I think you can also dismantle the. I'm not sure, or maybe not. Nope. I don't want to mess with this toy. It's so small, so darn small. Look. I know. I'm not sure why kids nowadays like the stuff from Roblox. You're gonna take a look closely. The paint, even though this is authentic, it seems that the paint that they use over here is like a cheapo one. There's even an overspray. Look. But this is your code. There's a code under the. Yeah. I cannot read the code. So small. Anyway, as I've said, we're planning to collect all 12. This is 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. So maybe next time we're gonna do the Macho King or Muscle King. Sorry. I don't know. Maybe if we can go out next time, I'm gonna try buy or get the bootleg copy, the fake one, then do a comparison and see if there's any huge difference. But I think yes, obviously there's a lot, and this still looks so flimsy, but it feels nice though. When you rub it, touch it, feels like it's kind of durable. I just don't like the paint that they used. Hello. Anyway, as I've said, this is only a simple and short unboxing. Roblox, the Series 3 Tower Heroes Demolitions Expert, or also called Demolitionist. So adios guys. So next time stay tuned and we're gonna try to do a comparison. Gonna buy the bootleg copy and then compare it with this one, the all authentic, or maybe buy another authentic one and then do another short unboxing crappy video like this. So adios. That's all for now.